now. Yo, shit.
Oh, they on the sidewalk. What the fuck?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yo, this nigga better go. What the fuck he just sitting there for? Oh, hell no.
Niggas not about to finesse us. Oh, yeah. We out here. We out here. We out here. Go, nigga. Go. They on us, bro. They on us. Oh, shit.
Going all the way.
You're not finessing us, nigga.
Oh, damn, niggas chasing us.
Oh, they're chasing us. Oh, out. Oh, shit.
What the fuck?
Yo, they on us, bro. Oh.
Heavy up reverse.
Go, 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 go.
Go, go. Yo, Benji. What the fuck? Get out the car. You didn't hit your car, right? Doesn't matter. You can try to stop the car. You guys keep driving. And then you hit this dude? Are you out of your fucking mind?
Hold up.
You blow 2 stop signs? That's it. Not you, right? All right. You got anything on your mind?
Either you get the report or you gotta wait till we're done with this shit, right? Everybody okay though? Alright. You just rolled into it? It's gonna be 50 degrees. Yeah, but this man was trying to stop him. I saw him. He was fucking flying. Who was driving? No.
You fucking bottom out. Your car, idiot. On me?
Yeah, no. Move it right over here. Come on.
Put him in there too. Fuck, I don't even got my flashlight, yo. I wonder too, it looked like fucking hot, look at it.